Okay, here's the TOS 1350 with our rotating nacelles in there. I'm shooting it at low ambient just so you can see the full effect of it. This model is not built up with the Aztecing and labels and everything. It's just made to show off the electronics because it'll be being taken apart later. So we have the white navs underneath, and on top you have the red and the green, and it starts off in fast mode, the spinning nacelles, and then we can slow it down. Okay, and then we can slow it down again, and one more. Okay, and you can choose whichever speed you like to work it at. And we have some lights inside for the to light up the landing bay. Okay, no shuttle in there. But that's pretty much it. It's very easy to wire up. There's only 3 wires coming out from underneath, and it's nice that it can go right through that little shaft that round 2 provides, and that's pretty much it. Away you go. It's very simple to put together, very easy. I am very proud of round 2. They did an excellent job with making this model. For you guys that are actually going to put it together, it's snapped together very nicely. I mean, I've got it taped together, but I can see that the fit is much better than the some of the other ships that we've had to deal with in the past. But anyway, there they are. You have the clockwise and counterclockwise, and that's this mode. We have an additional mode that we built into these rotating nacelles, and I'll show that later on. We call this the positive spin. I'm going to show you the negative spin. Okay, I just want to show you this video in in a bright lit room without the plastic housing of the nacelles. You don't get the real nice effect of all the different color schemes in there with the lights. You can see the flashing of the green and blue. You can slow it down. There you go, that's the slowest it'll go. But anyway, just another visual view before we change modes of spin. Okay, what you guys are looking at now is what we call our negative spin mode. And you'll start to, if you look at it, you'll notice the slight difference. See it? And then we'll take a look at it in the low. Now, in low ambient lighting, because what we're doing is we're keeping the lights on, and by achieving that negative spin is actually basically we're shutting off the fan blades as it goes around instead of turning them on. And you can see how bright it is in low ambient lighting. That's its fast mode. We'll slow it down. And this is very easy to do. We have a little jumper inside that we set it, basically short it out. Probably the easiest thing is to send it from the factory here in its negative spin mode, and you guys can cut the jumper if you will, if you want the positive spin mode like in previously shown. There we go, just slowed it down a little bit more. There you can see the flashing at different time, twinkling of the blue and green, and there's a red LED that's on all the time to give it some additional character. Now, what we'll do is we'll probably make a video with the plastic domes here, frosted, and it may give you another effect that some folks try to get. Alright, this is the view of the spinning nacelles or buzzards, whichever way you want to terminology it. This is with the domes frosted. That's at fast speed, okay? And we can slow it down. And this is what we call the negative view of the LEDs. You can actually see the firings of the green and the blue now. Slow it down some more. And back to fast. Okay, then we're going to take a shot with the low ambient lighting. Okay, this is a low ambient lighting effect with what we call the negative spin action, where we have the LEDs on and we shut them off as they rotate. And slow them down again. There we go. And the next view will be with them positive spin, where we keep the LEDs off and then turn them on as they rotate. Okay, here's a look with the domes frosted, and this is at fast speed. A little bit slower, slower again, and the slowest. You can actually see the firings of the different colors. It really looks like a fan blade with the domes frosted. Let's take a look at it in low ambient light. There it is in low ambient lighting. Back to fast speed. Okay, that's it.